You've built a fantastic website. It works perfectly for your local audience. Now, you want to go global. So you hire a translator, swap out the text, and you're done, right? Unfortunately, it's not that simple. If you've ever seen something like this, you've seen the failure of internationalization. Hi, I'm Fuqiao, and I lead the World Wide Web Consortium's internationalization activity. At the W3C, we help create the standards that make the web work for everyone, everywhere. In this video, I'm going to introduce two core concepts: internationalization and localization. Let's start with the big one, internationalization. We often shorten it to i18n. That's I, then 18 letters, then n. It's a bit of developer shorthand. i18n is the process of designing your code and content, so it can be easily adapted to various languages, writing systems, and regions. Now, what about localization? We call that L10n. L, 10 letters, n. Localization is the process of actually adapting your product for a specific market or locale. This is where translation happens, but it is also where you adapt graphics, change currencies, and use the correct local formats for things like dates and addresses. So, the key difference: internationalization is designing for potential. Localization is delivering for reality. So what does this foundation, this internationalization, actually include? It's so much more than just leaving space for text. First, character encoding. If your system doesn't support the global character set, Unicode, text in languages like Japanese, Hindi, or Arabic can turn into gibberish. Second, styling and layout. Some languages, like German, have much longer words. Others, like Arabic or Hebrew, are written from right to left. A well-internationalized site adapts its layout automatically. Third, forms. Not everyone has a first name and a last name. In Hungary, the family name comes first. In Iceland, people may use patronymics. A global-ready form needs to be flexible, and this applies to so much more, like dates and numbers. Is this December the 1st or January the 12th? And how you write prices is critical. In the US, this is $1,234.56, but in Germany, the same price would be written like this, with the separator swapped and using the euro symbol. If you get this wrong, you're displaying a completely different number. It's a small detail that makes a world of difference for user trust. Internationalization also applies to web addresses. Thanks to Internationalized Resource Identifiers, or IRIs, web addresses can include characters from scripts all around the world. Let's put it all together. A poorly internationalized website, when localized for Saudi Arabia, might just translate the text. The layout will be broken because it's still left to right. The prices will be in dollars, and the date format will be confusing. But a well-internationalized website, when localized, looks and feels native. The layout is right to left, the currency is Saudi riyals, the calendar uses the local Hijri system, and the language is perfect. That's the power of thinking globally from the start. You build one flexible system, that's i18n, that can support dozens of local experiences. That's L10n. Making the web work for everyone is at the heart of the W3C's mission. It's not just about technology. It's about connecting people and cultures. By building a solid internationalization foundation, you're showing respect for users around the world. Thanks for watching.